Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to unbox this Dizo buds, which are the sub brand of Realme. So these are the Bluetooth neckband, and this is the MRP of the product, guys. I have purchased it in some offer, which is Christmas offer or whatever it may. So this is the overall price. So I will provide another link by which you will get additional 150 cashback. So check in description for that link, guys. So this is the right now price, and from here also you will get 150 rupees cashback. So let us check out the product. So this is the Dizo wireless neckband, guys. Here as you can see, these are the Dizo and sub brand of Realme Techlife. So here you will see some logo, and at the top side you will see some hanger hook, and here you will see Dizo branding. At the bottom there is some Flipkart stickers. So from bottom you can peel it off, and here you can see some specifications. Here bass boost driver and playback time, and here you can see magnetic insert connection. If you disconnect these two magnets, then your earphones will be in pairing mode. Here you will see gaming mode, and here you can see the feature which you can, if you charge 10 minutes, then it will give you 120 minutes playback, and IPX4 water resistant. So here you will see some specifications, price range, and this is made in Vietnam, guys, here as you can see. So let me cut it off and let me open it. So guys, this is the internal content of box. So here they have also given the Realme Link app by which you can modify bass or etc of this Bluetooth neckband. So let me keep this box aside and let us check out the back side. So here you will see a charging cable and user manual, extra earbuds. So let me open this, guys. So here as you can see, here you will see some small and medium pairs, and this is the data cable, which is C type as you can see, and this is the user manual. So let us keep it aside. And this is our neckband, which is in black color, and here as you can see some specification of this neckband. So let me take it out. So guys, these are earbuds which are similar to our Realme Buds 2 earphones, and here as you can see Dizo branding, you are able to see, I think so. And here you will see some features or like model name and some other etc features, and made in Vietnam. And here they have given nothing, and these are the volume control keys. This is volume down, and this is play or pause, and by using this you can wake your Google Assistant. And this is volume up key, and this is your type C port, guys, by which you can charge your Bluetooth, and it will give you around 17 hours playback.